Hello guys, welcome to today's session in Concept. Today we will be talking about passive income myth and we will be talking this on the Warren Buffett study. Right now, before starting the video, if you are new here, you can go in the description. There is a link of Concept Wealth application, so you can download and install the Concept Wealth application. Right now, in the application, you will get a video library, and there we have made a multiple videos on tools and various strategies related to investment. So you can watch those videos. They are available in multiple languages, and at any point of time, if you guys having any kinds of doubts or query, so you can contact us on this number. Okay, so we will be there to sort your queries out. Right now, let's get back to today's video, that is the myths that are related with the passive income and what is the study of Warren Buffett, right, and who he is actually. Right, so let's start it. Right, so we will start with the definition, as you can see here. Right, that is the introduction to the passive income. Now when I'm talking the passive income, so passive income is the, you can say, a regular payout apart from your regular income, right? So that is your passive income. Okay, so for example, if I talk about, there are two types of income, that is your, one is your active, okay, and the second one is of your passive income. Okay, let me write it in white color, that will be more visible to you. Right, so the one type of income is active and the second one is of passive. The active one is when you are earning something from your job, right? So that is your active income, your primary, and the secondary, the passive one, that is you are getting from your investment, from where you are doing, you can say, no work or a very little or minimal work and still getting a regular payout. So that is known as your passive income, जो आपको एक्स्ट्रा मिल रही है कहीं से. ठीक है, दैट इज योर पैसिव इनकम, एक रेगुलर मिल रही है. नाउ देयर आर मिथ्स इन द मार्केट कि इफ यू विल गो विद द इन्वेस्टमेंट, सो देयर विल बी सम पैसिव इनकम, आपको घर बैठे बैठे बिना कुछ किए पैसा मिल जाएगा. सो दैट इज अ मिथ, दैट इज नॉट करेक्ट. राइट, इफ वी टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ वॉरेन बफेट रिटन हियर. ओके, सो वॉरेन बफेट का अगर मैं एग्जांपल लूं, सो हु ही इज एक्चुअली, अभी तक के टाइम का द वेरी सक्सेसफुल एंड द बिग इन्वेस्टर जिनको हम बोलते हैं, दैट इज अवर वॉरेन बफेट हम बोलते हैं. राइट, इनके स्टडी के हिसाब से भी अगर हम चले तो ही सेड, if you want to generate a passive income from the investment, right, so you should be doing active researches, right, you should be maintaining your portfolio well, you should be choosing your stocks or you can say investment as per the past data. So you will be analyzing all of those things and only then you will be getting a passive income from your investment. Right, it doesn't mean like you are sitting and you are chilling and you will be thinking like आ जाएगा, अगले महीने आएगा, प्रॉफिट आएगा. नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, सो दैट इज अ मिथ इन द मार्केट. ओके, तो काफी लोग इन्वेस्टमेंट करके छोड़ देते हैं. राइट नाउ, सो दैट इज व्हाट इट इज रिटन हियर. सो आई हैव टोल्ड यू व्हाट इज अ पैसिव इनकम दैट यू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम अदर सोर्स. राइट, इट विल कम. ओके, एंड फॉर दैट you have to research the market, your investment, your mutual fund, if you are doing the SIP. So if the market at its at its low, so at that time you have to buy. If the market it at high, so at that time you have to sell. So you have to keep the track of all of these things. Right, so we will go step by step. Right, so first of all, I hope it is clear what is passive income and what is the study of Warren Buffett on this passive income. Right now, what if I tell you there are two kinds of stocks? Right, there are two kinds of stocks. The one kind of stock that is your active stock, you can say, not active, just let me remove this. Okay, the first one is, you can say, your growth stock, your growth. Okay, and the second one can be of IDCW. Right, now in growth one, what happens if your company in which you have invested or the mutual fund in which you have invested, if any point of time if they earn some profit, for example they are earning 10% of profit, right, so what they will do, they will just reinvest this 10% of profit in their actual capital, और जो principal amount आपका होगा, तो ये profit भी they will again invest that return into that. Right, so now if you were investing 100% or 100 rupee, so now your capital is 110 and now you will be getting 10% return on this 110, so that will be 11. So every year if you are getting a 10% return, so every year with return your principal is increasing. So principal increasing, it means your profit is also increasing. Right, so this is what happens in growth. But as a passive income, if you want to earn a passive income, then you can go with IDCW. right? Now what is IDCW? That is income distribution come wealth. It means income distribution come wealth. It means it can be a source of passive income for you. Whenever you will earn a profit of 10 rupee, or you can say 10% on anything, on a capital of 100 rupee, you have a principal amount of 100 rupee, and now you are getting a 10% of return. Okay, so what they will do, they will invest 5%, they will invest 5% again on this. Okay, so what it happens, so there your principal will be 105, and 5% return will be given to you as your payout, right? So 5% return will be given out to you. So if you have invested 100 rupee, so every month or every year you will be getting 5 rupee as your payout. तो एक regular income as a passive income, you are generating a passive income from your investment, कि एक regular payout आपको मिल रहा है. Now the company can provide half of the profit, the company can provide 60% of the profit as a payout, the company can provide all 100% of the profit as a payout, right? It depends on that particular mutual fund. Right now, is it possible? So we are talking about this, is this passive income is possible or not? That is the main topic of today's, right? So yes, this is possible, but there is a myth that it will be given to you without any work, without doing any hard work, right? So for that, what we are talking about, you have to go with more research, you have to go with the active type of investment. Now what is an active type? That is the second thing. Okay, so let's see. Now when I'm talking about active, just a second, when I'm talking about active, right? So for the passive income, you have to select the active approach. Active approach can be also termed as aggressive, right? Aggressive means you are actively doing the buying and selling. You are actively doing the buying and selling. Now if you are actively doing the buying and selling, so there must be some brokerage charge included, right? So if you are actively doing some buying and selling, so you have to pay more brokerage. अब more brokerage अगर आपको देना है, ज्यादा ब्रोकरेज आपको देना है, तो इट मींस योर प्रॉफिट शुड बी देयर, ज्यादा प्रॉफिट भी आपका होना चाहिए. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि बाय सेल कर रहे हो पर प्रॉफिट नहीं जनरेट हो रहा है. सो यू शुड बी ऑल्सो हैविंग गुड मार्केट रिसर्च, आपको यहां पे करनी पड़ेगी. गुड मार्केट रिसर्च आपको करनी पड़ेगी. एक अच्छी मार्केट रिसर्च होगी. अगर मार्केट अच्छी रिसर्च होगी, यू विल बी गेटिंग गुड स्टॉक्स, यू विल बी गेटिंग गुड फंड्स. When you will be getting good funds, then you can do the active buy and selling. Whenever the market is in low, that time you can go for the buying. When the market is at high, you can go for the selling. When you will be doing active buy and selling, so there will be some brokerage, but कोई इशू नहीं है. अगर मैं एक अच्छा खासा handsome profit generate कर रहा हूँ, so I can pay that brokerage also, right? And when I am generating that much of profit, so I am trading aggressive, that is called the active type. And when I'll be doing my investment actively, at the time if I'll get the profit of 20%, so my fund manager, what can he do? He can just reinvest that 10% again into the capital. तो 100 किया है तो 10 रुपए वापस reinvest कर देगा, कंपाउंड कर देगा तो 110 हो जाएगा. And 10% he can give me out as a, you can say, passive इनकम. ठीक है, 10% नहीं भी देगा तो 8% देगा. यू कैन से कि 2% देयर विल बी सम एक्सपेंस चार्जेस, ब्रोकरेज चार्जेस, जो मर्जी हो गया. तो 2% भी मैंने दे दिया, स्टिल आई एम गेटिंग अ पैसिव इनकम, अ पे आउट ऑफ 8% पर मंथ पर ईयर, एज वेल एज आई हैव री इन्वेस्टेड, री कंपाउंडेड 10% ऑफ माई प्रॉफिट. ठीक है, तो दोनों चीजें मेरी एक साथ हो चुकी है. बट फॉर दैट यू हैव टू गो विद द एक्टिव रिसर्च एग्रेसिव अप्रोच, राइट? जैसा कि किसने बोला था? वॉरेन बफेट ने आपको बोला था, राइट? तो ये चिल करता हुआ यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है, ये इसलिए कर रहा है बिकॉज इसने इतनी एक्टिव रिसर्च करी है और उसके बाद यहाँ पे चिल कर रहा है. तो एक्टिव रिसर्च इज नॉट इजी, इस तरीके की हालत भी हो जाती है कभी कभी. ठीक है, सो दैट वाज अ जोक फॉर यू. ठीक है, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट वी हैव इन नेक्स्ट पीपीटी, राइट? देन द अंडरस्टैंडिंग द पैसिव इनकम. सो पैसिव इनकम इज ऑफन व्यूड एज अ मनी अर्नड. ठीक है, तो रिक्वायर्स एक्टिव मैनेजमेंट, जैसा मैंने आपको बोला कि इट रिक्वायर्स एक्टिव मैनेजमेंट, ओके, एट द सेम टाइम स्ट्रैटेजिक प्लानिंग. ठीक है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग दीज डायनामिक्स इज क्रूशियल फॉर इन्वेस्टर सीकिंग लॉन्ग टर्म सक्सेस. सेम चीज, ठीक है, जो मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बता चुकी है, तो वही चीज यहां पे रिपीट हुई है. ओके, उसके बाद देखेंगे म्यूचुअल फंड परफॉर्मेंस इनसाइट्स. सो म्यूचुअल फंड कैन बी अ ग्रेट सोर्स ऑफ पैसिव इनकम, बट देयर परफॉर्मेंस वेरीज वाइडली, इट इज एसेंशियल टू एनालाइज हिस्टोरिकल रिटर्न। ओके, वही देखो है, आपको सब चीज एनालाइज करनी पड़ेगी। एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू हैव टू डू द मार्केट रिसर्च, राइट, कि कौन सा म्यूचुअल फंड आपको अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है, व्हाट द एवरेज yearly returns of that mutual fund, ठीक है, past history, is the mutual fund in which you are going to invest, is it also providing the dividends to you, is there a dividend yield, if not, why not? So you can also go with the stocks which is giving you a dividend yield, right? You can go with the stock which is giving you a diversification, because that will less your impact, because that will you can say decrease your volatility or volatility risk in the market, right? So you can go with those stock also, ठीक है? You can also analyze the fund manager's performance, because when you are going for the active approach, so the fund manager plays a major role there, right? And the fund manager, if you have a good fund manager, he is actively doing your work, his work, so he will be taking you, he will be taking, you can say, good brokerage, good management fees, but at the same time he will be providing you a good amount of returns at a very shorter period of time, right? और अगर आप उसको एक बड़े टाइम के लिए लाते हो for a longer time frame, so then you will be getting a good amount of profit, भी आप अच्छा प्रॉफिट वहां से रिटर्न्स कमा सकते हो। एंड दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू फॉर द पैसिव इनकम, नॉट लाइक कि बस चिल करके सो जाओ और मिल जाएगा। तो दैट इज नॉट हाउ यू गेट द पैसिव इनकम, अ रेगुलर पे आउट फ्रॉम द इन्वेस्टमेंट, सो दैट इज अ मिथ फॉर यू, राइट? सो आई होप क्लियर हो गया होगा, ठीक है? बाकी तो अब पीपीटी में वही लिखा है जो मैंने आपको बता दिया है। तो वॉरेन बफेट की इन्वेस्टमेंट जो फिलॉसफी है वो भी यही है कि इफ यू वांट टू क्विक गेन्स, आपको अप्रोच सक्सेसफुल की क्विक गेन आपको यहां पे नहीं मिलने वाला। यू हैव टू डू द लॉन्ग टर्म ग्रोथ एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग द अंडरलाइंग वैल्यू ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, ठीक है? तो पेशेंस चाहिए, रिसर्च चाहिए, दैट इज ऑल व्हाट द वॉरेन बफेट्स स्टडी टीचेस अस, ओके? तो वो हमें बताती है। देन लेसन्स ये भी वही है, ओके? कंक्लूजन क्या आता है, ठीक है? तो अभी जितना भी मैंने बोला, व्हाट द कंक्लूजन ऑफ ऑल दैट इज द कंक्लूजन, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ पैसिव इनकम requires active involvement, ठीक है? As I have told you in the first PPT, you will be going with the active approach के साथ आप जाओगे, ठीक है? थोड़ा सा टाइम देना पड़ेगा अगर एक पैसिव इनकम चाहिए, ठीक है? थोड़ा सा टाइम तो देना पड़ेगा। स्ट्रैटेजिक प्लानिंग, ओके? स्ट्रैटेजिक प्लानिंग, okay, so this time I'll buy this mutual fund because this mutual fund has the probability that it can give me this much of profit. Okay, this is the fund manager, I have analyzed the past performance of this fund manager, it gives good returns, okay? It is active in the market, okay? It keeps on buying and selling, okay? At the same time it takes less brokerage, the expenses charges are less, because that will also impact if you are going for the short term returns or long term returns, right? तो अगर उनके expenses charges भी कम है, so that will be also very good thing for me, ठीक है? So ये strategic planning होती है। एक मैं अच्छी एक्टिव के साथ चले जाऊंगा, but at the same time he is charging me a lot of brokerage charges, so that will be no use for me, right? So that is your strategic planning. Insights from the seasoned investor, okay? Insights like just मेक श्योर कि यू ऑलवेज कीप इन टच विद द सीजन्स। जो सीजन मतलब क्या होते हैं कि जिनको काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस है, राइट? तो उनको सुनते रहो, व्हाट आर दे टॉकिंग अबाउट, व्हाट आर देयर व्यूज, ठीक है? इफ दे आर गिविंग यू अ गुड टीचिंग और नॉट, ठीक है? तो इन सारी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखो, एंड ओनली देन यू कैन क्रिएट अ गुड पैसिव इनकम आउट ऑफ योर इन्वेस्टमेंट, राइट? सो आई होप गाइज आज का सेशन काफ़ी मजेदार रहा होगा। अगर आपको पसंद आए, यू कैन लाइक इट, यू कैन कमेंट योर व्यूज इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। इफ यू आर न्यू, यू कैन सब्सक्राइब द चैनल ऑल्सो। थैंक यू सो मच guys, this is your trainer Ankit Singh Rawat. Have a very good day.